First of all, don't skip this video, because today, I'm about to show you a brand new finance niche that is 100% monetizable, and the earnings are absolutely insane. And the best part? We're going to create these finance niche videos, generate cinematic images, and even edit everything using 100% free AI tools. So trust me, first of all, take a look at this channel carefully. Study these videos closely. I actually showed you a similar finance niche channel in my last finance video, the channel called voiceovers. And this one is basically a clone of that concept. The style is almost identical, but this time, the main character is female instead of male. The concept is exactly the same, and if we talk about earnings, right now this channel is making around $6.3 thousand per month. The channel only has around 73.6K subscribers with just 103 videos uploaded. Plus, they upload long-form videos, which is why the RPM and earnings are even higher. I've already shown you many similar channels before. For example, this channel called Nick Invest. It's almost the exact same concept too. This one is making around $8K per month. Now, first of all, let me show you this master all-in-one finance prompt that I prepared for you guys. I added everything inside it: visual style, target audience, main character details, character consistency rules, viral finance storytelling structure, literally everything. I worked extremely hard on this master prompt, so you don't need to go anywhere else. Everything is already prepared professionally for you. The link to this master prompt will be in the description. All you have to do is copy it, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, click on Show More, and then hit Generate. As soon as you click Generate, ChatGPT will give you everything, section by section. Viral finance video ideas, scripts, image prompts, video prompts, voiceovers, everything. And honestly, the best part is Section 4 and Section 5, because it already gives you ready-made image prompts and cinematic video prompts. Even the voiceover lines are already included. And if you want everything combined together, just tell ChatGPT, please give me image prompts, video prompts, and voiceovers together. And boom, it will generate everything in one place. Now let's talk about image generation. And guys, please don't skip this part. I keep saying this because many people skip the important parts and later get confused. Today, I'm going to show you two completely free AI image generation tools. The first one is Leonardo AI, and the second one is Flow AI. Using both of these tools, you can create professional finance niche visuals completely free. First, let's start with Leonardo AI. Simply log in using a temporary email if needed. You'll get around 150 free credits. I already explained this method in previous videos. Now select the model called GPT Image 2. Then choose the aspect ratio as 9:16. After that, go back to ChatGPT. Copy your image prompt, paste it into Leonardo AI, and click Generate. But listen carefully. This part is very important. You must upload a reference image of the character. Go to one of these finance channels, take a screenshot of the female character, upload it as a reference image, and then generate your scene. Otherwise, sometimes the AI changes the character design or gives inconsistent results. Now, as you can see on my screen, I'm generating the images one by one, and the results look amazing. The character consistency is almost perfect. The style looks exactly like those viral finance channels. And another important thing, Leonardo AI only uses around 8 credits per image with GPT Image 2, which means you can generate a lot of professional scenes for free. Now let's move to the second tool, Flow AI. Flow AI also works amazingly for this finance niche. It uses the Nano Banana model to generate images. Again, the process is super simple. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, upload your character reference image, click Generate, and your cinematic finance images will be ready. So yes, now we've completed the image generation part using 2 completely free AI tools. Now let's move to the most important part, video generation. And today, I'm bringing you one of the best free AI video tools I've personally tested. The name of the tool is Arena AI. Now, it's finally time to generate the videos. Simply open this website. The link will be in the description. After opening it, click on Login. Now, listen carefully. You do not need to use your personal email here. Instead, go to Temp Mail. Copy the temporary email from there. Come back to Arena AI, paste the email, and click Continue. As soon as you click Continue, the verification process will start. After a few seconds, the verification email and code will arrive in your Temp Mail inbox. So go back to Temp Mail, wait a few seconds, and once the email appears, simply open it and click on Verify Email. The moment you click Verify, the dashboard will automatically open. Now create a simple password, log in, complete the quick verification, and boom, your account is ready. And now you can finally start generating videos. So let me show you exactly how. First of all, look at the dashboard carefully. At the bottom, you'll see an option called Generate Video. Simply click on it. Then go to Add File and upload the first image you generated from Leonardo AI or Flow AI. After uploading the image, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for the first scene. Paste that prompt into the video prompt box. Then go back again and copy the voiceover lines from ChatGPT and paste them into the voiceover section. Now this tool provides multiple generation modes. As soon as you click on Generate, you'll notice something very interesting. This AI actually creates 2 different videos at the same time. Yes, one tool, but 2 unique video outputs. One version will look slightly different from the other, and then you can simply choose whichever one looks more professional. Honestly, in my opinion, this is one of the best free AI video generators available right now. Now, our first video generation has started. In a few moments, it will be ready, and then we'll analyze the results professionally. And guys, one important thing. In the finance niche, consistency matters a lot. If you stay consistent in this niche, your growth can become extremely fast. But if you upload randomly and disappear, then growth becomes difficult. Because finance content usually has a very high RPM, and YouTube promotes these videos aggressively. Now look at this. Our first generated video is ready. And honestly, wow. Oh my God. This looks incredibly professional. The left video generated perfectly. The right one was decent too, but the left version looks much better. And the craziest part? It generated this cinematic finance video with voiceover in just a few seconds. Now let me show you how to continue generating more scenes. Simply download the video, then go back. Click on New Chat. Upload your next image. Copy the next voiceover lines from ChatGPT. Paste the next video prompt, and then click Generate again. Now our second video generation has started, and now the next video is finally ready. First, check the right version. Then compare it with the left version. In my opinion, the left video still looks more cinematic and professional, so I'm going to download that one. Now again, I repeat the exact same process. Upload image, paste prompt, paste voiceover, click Generate. But after several generations, you may see an error saying, "You reached your limit. Please check back in 2 hours." Which basically means the free limit is over temporarily. But don't worry, I'll show you another trick. Simply open another browser. Then open Arena AI again, and also open TempMail again. Now, repeat the exact same process. Upload image, paste video prompt, paste voiceover lines, click Generate, and boom. Your next finance video starts generating again. And now look at this result.
Every paycheck disappeared too fast.
This time, I actually like the right video more, so I simply download it and continue the same process, scene by scene. As you can see, all my finance videos are generating one by one very professionally. Now, once all your video scenes are ready, it's finally time for editing. For editing, simply open CapCut. Import all your generated videos one by one. Now place the first clip on the timeline. Then cut the scene properly, wherever the logo appears or where the scene timing needs adjustment. Repeat the same process for all clips. After that, go to the transitions section. Here, I personally like using black fade transitions between finance scenes because they look cinematic and smooth. You can also add extra voiceovers, background music, sound effects, or cinematic zoom effects if you want. And once everything is ready, simply click on Export. And that's it. So guys, today you saw how we created a professional finance niche video completely using free AI tools. Because finance is a high RPM niche, your videos can grow very quickly, and your earnings can become very high too. I'll see you in the next video.